What's up guys, your boy White, and today I have the NZXT Starter Build PC review. You guys have been waiting 8 long months for this video, and I wanted to make sure that it was perfect. I kept getting comments bombarded in every video I upload that wasn't about the PC. It's just because those videos were scheduled before this one, so I finally have it out. You guys are gonna finally get all your questions answered, and my review is going to be a little bit different now. At the end of each video, I will be doing a review and submitting it to either the company the products belong to or Amazon. Either way, I want to get my reviews sent out there. That way, it makes their reviews more interesting to watch. So, I've had this starter build PC for about 8 months now. As soon as you saw the video come out, that was the exact day I was actually, unboxing it in real time. And I actually love it. I love this PC. I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of having this PC. I want to start off, number one, with pre-builds. I know a lot of gamers out there think pre-builds are terrible. I somewhat agree. This is the only pre-built PC I've ever owned that's actually pretty good, and it's actually living up to a good name. NZXT is a company that we all trust with building our PCs whenever we want to make a expensive PC for a setup. But this right here is actually pretty good for its price, and this PC is under $1,000 and it runs like a beast. But I want to go over the prices of this. So I want to go over the two different versions of the PCs. We have the starter PC, which is what I have, and we have the starter PC Plus. And I went with the starter PC because I was like, it's gonna be my first PC. I wanted to make sure it's pretty good. They both come in white or black, and there's only like a small price difference, and there's small differences within the storage and some of the specs, but it's pretty much the same. I want to go over the specs right quick. For the CPU, we have an Intel Core i5 6-core processor running at 2.9 gigahertz, and for the graphics card we have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, and for the RAM we have the Team T-Force Vulcan Z 16TB RAM sticks. Now it's pretty good RAM, I gotta say. Running After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop, all those Adobe products in here, it runs smoothly. I've only had like minimal crashes, but overall it will barely crash. The storage, we have an Intel 660p 512 gigabyte storage drive. I got me a external hard drive right here, 4 terabytes. It's been running amazingly awesome. I got this from Walmart for like $40 for 4 terabytes, so I do recommend going out and getting this right here. We have RGB lighting, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C. We are ready, and it's stream ready. I can honestly say I stream on Twitch. Make sure you follow my Twitch, by the way. It's twitch.tv/white. Recently streamed just the other day. I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday every week for about 1 to 2 hours. So make sure you go check out my streams. So yes, I can confirm that this PC is definitely stream ready. I can stream at the 1080p 60 frames without any issues. I have my friends help me set up my stream because I'm not much of a huge streamer. I'm not really much of an experienced streamer, but I've been streaming for a couple of months now. I recently hit affiliate, and things been going great with my streams. I gotta say, this PC is definitely good for streaming. If any of you have been asking me that over the last 8 months, now you know. It's a great PC for streaming. Also, according to the website for the NZXT build, it can run Fortnite Chapter 2 at 83 frames per second. I can honestly say I ran Fortnite on 120 and it runs perfectly. I ran Minecraft at the same frame rate as well. I have not played League of Legends, but it's advertised that it runs 176. I have a friend that has the same type of PC, and he can run up to 60 FPS. I'm not sure what's the issue with that, but that's what he told me. And for CSGO, I can definitely run 195 frames per second. I've played CSGO with my friends and members in Freeze Unit. If you guys don't know what Freeze Unit is my esports organization. Go check it out. We made a CSGO video not too long ago. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. So, yeah. I gotta say, this PC for it being under $1,000 and you can do so much of it, it's just amazing. For the port, of course, they have everything, and everything's perfect. All the ports work perfectly fine. I use 2 monitors for my setup right now. The display port and HDMI port work perfectly. I have yet to have a VR headset. Once I get one, I will be making a video separate from this one about how the performance is for the VR experience and the gaming performance. But based off my experience, like I said earlier in this video, it does run just as great as the website says it does. It's amazing. But yes, if you guys like this video, please drop a like on it. Please follow me on all my social medias. It'll be in the link in the description below. Make sure you follow me on my Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are the main platforms I want to really advertise right now. Also, I have a Discord server. It's called the Freeze White 8-Bit Kingdom. So if you guys want to join that, please click the link in the description below. I have it linked below. I'll be giving roles automatically. I have bots set up for everything. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.